asuntosykeyhtiö Robertus.
Let's take one right here today because it is ended later. This ProSpace was not stated locally. It's here today on the 26th of July 2023 on Iso Roobertinkatu 35 to 37. Staircase F, where we have filmed the staircase A, but the B and C are also agreeing that can be filmed later.
Yeah.
And it must have been ended in 2021.
Yeah.
Let's see from inside how it looks like. The doors are automatic. Yeah. It's wooden windows also.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, we can take one right here.
Yeah.
It's the dark green up there.
Yeah.
So it's not actually not that bad. The chamber is 4406760 and the capacity is 7 persons for 80 grams. But they should have chosen evergreen buttons for a ProSpace.
Yeah.
And we inspected this year in 2023. Well, the doors are very beautiful.
Yeah.
Maybe it's the first time we've seen ProSpace addition for an antique building like this.
Yeah.
Because we've seen microspace but not ProSpace yet for this kind of building.
Yeah.
Then it's been only outstitched.
Yeah.
Like from that are a newer.
Yeah.
I certainly haven't seen these dark green frames before.
So.
This was a customized ProSpace, except it only lacked evergreen buttons.
Yeah. That's
Luckily,